Assalamu alaikum Arij. How are you? Okay, now tell me what is the sound of this letter? What is the sound of this letter? Good job. And what is the sound of this letter? Good job. And what is the sound of this letter? Good job. And what is the sound of this letter? Good job. F. Now tell me the pictures. Wait. Now tell me what is this? Good job. Very nice. Go. How are you?
I'm fine.
You are looking very happy. Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me what is the sound of this letter? Very nice. Okay. Sit properly. What is the sound of this letter? Very nice. And what is the sound of this letter? Good. Fabulous job. Very nice. And what is the sound of this letter? And which letter is this? Which letter is this? S. Okay. Now what is the sound of this letter? Very good. What is the sound of this letter? Louder, louder. Very good. And what is the sound of this letter? Very nice. Now it's time to tell me the pictures. Okay, what is this?
Where is?
No. What is this? We sleep on it. What is this?
Xenon.
Pillow. Okay, what is this? What is this?
Kids.
Very nice. Okay, what is the sound of this letter?
Oh.
And what is the O?
Oh. Oh, for octopus.
Very good, superb. And what is this?
Tree.
Okay, and who is he?
Finger.
Very good. Give me high five. Now here, sing a poem. Wheel on the bus. Wheel on the bus. Sing a poem. Louder with action. With action. Louder with action. Sit properly. All through the town. So, how are you? Good job. Okay, tell me the sound of this letter. J. And now tell me the sound of this letter. No. What is the sound? Come on. Very good. What is the sound of this letter? This is a letter S, but what is the sound? Very nice. And what is the sound of this letter? P is the letter. Tell me the sound. What is the sound of this letter? Very good. Give me high five.